Hey YouTube, I got sick of dealing with my jumper cables as just giant fish hooks swinging everywhere trying to catch on everything, and fashioned these little Tangle-free things out of zip ties. It's all zip ties, 4 big ones and 8 little ones, nothing special. Does not interfere with the function of them at all, and it just doesn't matter what you're doing with it, you cannot catch it with anything, unlike the traditional style. So, yeah, it's a little thing, but I won't have to deal with that particular headache when I'm helping somebody who's stranded in a parking lot. I've used my jumper cables more often to help other people than to get help. So that's a good thing. So yeah, tangle all you want. It's not going to work.